Weird.
Weird doesn't sound good to me.
Oh, come on. Hi, Zito. Hey, buddy.
Who is this, for Bailey?
Sorry, bro.
You
I don't like it.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Soundcheck Party. Good to see some familiar faces out here. You guys excited for the show tonight? Very cool. Is this anybody's first time to a Backstreet Boys Soundcheck Party?
Awesome.
Have you heard pretty much the way it goes down? Okay, so pretty much we got a list of songs here you can request. We're gonna give you guys a chance to request any song you want to hear from us, Backstreet Boys karaoke style. Well, I gotta tell you something. The list over the years, for some reason, has gotten smaller and smaller. It started off with my playlist and got added on, but little by little, so pretty much your parameters. You have a good chance of getting a song from us that we either still have on the playlist or that we still remember the words, is by doing one of the songs of the greatest hits. Pretty much any of those, we can guarantee we pretty much got it. Anything outside that? So all you gotta do is raise your hand, scream out loud. If you got signs, I can tell you we do have drowning.
Yes, but we do it in the show.
Yes.
So there's also songs that we do in the show, and then there's songs that we don't do in the show. So it's kind of up to you guys if you want to hear songs that we don't do in the show.
Alright, so I'm going to name some of the songs that we don't do in the show, okay?
All I have to give?
And here we go. So I'm going to say everything that we don't do in the show. Ready? Helpless when she smiles.
Don't tell me about
Yeah, not so much. Also, more than that. My heart stays with you. Panic. Public display of affection.
PDA for short.
Wait.
What else? Shake My Heart we do not do in the show. Siberia, which is a favorite at times.
Come back, let's sing it again.
This Is Us, The Scissors, and Trouble Is. So,
Wait, is all I
yeah, all I have to give as well. But
But isn't even on there?
no, it's not actually.
No, so we don't have all that to give.
So we have Panic.
How do we not have all
All
that?
right, Panic, please.
Panic now, stop it now.
Go. Oh my God, this is like the live version, right? Go, stop and go. I'm just ecstatic. I used to read you loud and clear, not like this. I'm so erratic.